Dear student, myself Rajendra Asiri. I am assistant professor in computer science department at Government Bangad PG College, Didwana. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about various type of cryptographic concept, various basics of cryptographic. Then we have discussed some cryptographic techniques. Then we have discussed monoalphabetic and polyalphabetic ciphers in detail. Now in today's lecture, we will discuss about transposition cipher. It is basically a technique to convert a plain text into ciphertext. As the name implies, in transposition cipher, we just do some positioning change. We change the index of every alphabet in plain text and it will convert into a ciphertext. So transposition technique differ from substitution type of technique in the way that they do not simply replace one alphabet with another, they also perform some permutation over the plain text alphabet. So permutation by applying some rearrangement in the plain text alphabet, we will get the ciphertext. So to do this transposition type of cipher, we have various type of technique. Some technique we are going to discuss in this lecture. So first technique is rail fence technique. So what happened in this technique? The rail fence technique is an example of transposition type of cipher. It uses a simple algorithm. The steps are: first, write down the plain text as a sequence of diagonal. Means we need to write down a plain text in the form of diagonal. Suppose my message is Rajendra, then I will write down R in first row, then diagonally I will write down A, then on the upper diagonal I will write down J, then again on the bottom diagonal I will write down E, then N, D, R, A. So in this manner it will just create a, we can say, up to bottom, bottom to up, zigzag type of style, top to bottom zigzag style will be created. It is called as what? Rail. And after that we have to read the plain text written in step 1 as a sequence of row. Means row by row we need to read them, and whatever the resultant, that will be the rail fence technique generated cipher. We will discuss the example in the after 5 to 10 minutes. So next technique is columnar transposition technique. So what happened in this? The algorithm says that first write the plain text message row by row in a rectangle of predefined size. Means suppose I have a rectangle of 4 by 2, then I have to write down 4 column and 2 row. Suppose I have a rectangle of 10 by 5, then I have to write down 10 rows and 5 column. In every row I have to write down what? 5 column. So row by row I have to write down. So write the plain text message row by row in a rectangle of predefined size. After that I have to read row by row. I entered the plain text alphabet. Now I have to read vertically. So how to read? Read the message column by column. It can be random order, such as 2, means we can read second number column, then first number column, then third number column, like that. So different permutation we can use for reading the columns. So in columnar transposition technique, what happened? Row by row we need to write down the data in rectangle form, and in the output we need to read column by column. In this manner the message thus obtained is the ciphertext message. So we will discuss some example. First we will be learning rail fence cipher. So suppose I have a cipher, suppose I have a plain text, meet me at the park. This is my message. I have to convert this message plain text into ciphertext using rail fence technique. So how to write down? Rail fence technique says that write down the content of plain text in alphabetic form. One alphabet, then second alphabet will be in diagonal, then third alphabet will be on the upper diagonal, then lower diagonal, upper diagonal, lower diagonal. In such manner we need to process full plain text message. So here meet me at the park is the plain text. So first alphabet is M, so I have to write down here M, and diagonally at the bottom I have to write down second alphabet, that is E. Then on the upper diagonal I have to write down what? Again E, upper diagonal. So I am just taking a brush. First is M, Then diagonally on the bottom I have to write down E, then third alphabet is E, and then fourth is T. So diagonally I have to write down then M E, meet me, then A, 8, clear, 8, T H E, P A R K. In this manner, so it will create a rail fence type of scheme. So I have written this. First step of the algorithm says that just write down in diagonal form. Plain text will be written in the diagonal form, and after that, how to generate ciphertext from this? So we need to read this row by row. We need to read this by row by row. So how to read this? See, first thing I have to read is first M, then E, M A, M E M A, then T E A K. First row completed. After that, second row says E T E T H P R. If you see, this is the ciphertext generated using the rail fence. Now another example is taken, and in second example, meet me at the park, same plain text I am taking, but this message will be given to simpler columnar transposition technique, and we will see that what is the difference in both the ciphertext, first ciphertext from the rail fence and second type of ciphertext from the transposition technique of columnar. So if you see, plain text is again meet me at the park. Now columnar technique says we need to write down the message in a rectangle form. Suppose I have taken a rectangle form 4 by 4 here. So 4 row 4 column, suppose I have taken. It is no need to write down in a rectangle form, we can take square also. So 4 by 4 is the size here, 4 rows and 4 column, 4 by 4 is the size. The 4 row we need to write down. How to write down? First row by row we need to write down, and while reading we need to read column by column. So how to write? M, first M, then E, then in the third text is E, and then T. After that M E. So M E. After that 8 A T. If you see the T H E, then park P A R K. In this manner we have written. So message has been written. Now after that, what we need to do? We need to this read in column by column manner. First column will be M M T A. If you see M M T A. Second T E E H R. E E H R. After that E A E K. E A E K. After that T T P. T T P. So in this manner we can get ciphertext. First we have got ciphertext from rail fence technique. Second we have got ciphertext from the columnar transposition technique. Now one very interesting concept is that if we combine both these transposition technique, then what will happen? The security will be increased, because first we are applying what? We are applying, we can say first we are applying rail fence or columnar we can apply, after that we can apply rail fence. So how to do that? First we are doing to combine these two approach. First we are having a message. I'm taking the brush. Alice is the sender and Bob is the receiver. Alice is sending the plain text. What is the plain text? C N C M Y A T T A C K S T O N I G H T. This is the message. So if we are applying columnar technique first, then first we need to write down row by row in a rectangle form. So how to write down? C, then N C M Y. It is 5 column and 4 row technique. So columnar transposition we are applying. After that second row says A T T A C, third row says K S T O N, and fourth is I G H T Z. So in this manner I have written our plain text in 5 into 4 manner. Now what we need to do? We need to apply rail fence, or we can say we need to apply permutation technique. Means row number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So column number 1 says, if you see, column number 1 says C A K I. So I permutate this at place, which place? Second number row. Clear? And third number row will come at what? First number. second number row will go to second number column will go to fifth number column, fourth number will be going to third, and second is going to the fifth. Similarly, we can say fifth column is going to fourth column. Now we need to just read column by column. If we read column by column, first is ETT, clear, H, ET. This will be the first four alphabet of the output. After that, EAKI, second 8 alphabet, MAOT, 9th alphabet to 12 alphabet, YC. In this manner we can write down. So the ordering will be changed, permutation we have applied, and the key is this. If you see which type of permutation we have applied, so in encryption we have applied some set of rules that will be known as key. So third number column will send to first number column send to second number column, fourth number column will be now third number column, fifth number column is now fourth number column, and second number column is now fifth number column. In this manner we have applied the transposition techniques. This is the ciphertext. In the receiver end, we need to apply what? Decryption. Decryption means the fifth number column will be now second number column, fourth number column will be now fifth number column, third number column will be fourth number column, second number column will be first number column, first number column will be third number column. So in this manner, if we do again, then we will get the same plain text which was sent by the Alice. So Alice is sending the plain text. In between, encryption algorithm, some columnar transmission technique, after that permutation, and at the receiver end decryption in reverse manner will be applied, and it will generate the same plain text for the Bob. In this manner we can apply various type of transposition technique. In the next lecture we will learn some more technique about the creating the ciphers. Thank you.